Hey everybody, on this video we've got a mailbox lock, and we're going to use the 1646R Lishi to actually pick and decode the lock. And one thing we'll notice on the Lishi here, the Lishi actually has depths listed 1 through 5. The card you cut these on is the HPC card. It's going to be C107 is the card. You notice that it does have 5 depths, but they're labeled 0 through 4. So you have to just substitute. If you have a 1, use the 0. If you have a 2, use the 1, and so on and so forth. And you should be able to produce a working key. Now, as far as picking the lock goes, just like any other Lishi here. Now, the 1646R, of course, it's going to be the reverse of the 1646, and it's going to go clockwise. And in the field, what I'd recommend doing if you're not sure is, you can spray some lubrication on the lock and just see if a 1646R or 1646 key blank fits, and then you'll know which way you're picking it, which Lishi to use and which way you'll be picking. So this is going to go counterclockwise, and like pin tumbler Lishis or really any other Lishi, we're just going to look for something binding. So we're on 5, so we'll just start there. Okay, it's a little bit springy. 4, okay, a nice click on 4. 3 is springy, 2 springy, 1 springy. Okay, 5 binding. Click on 5. Okay, 4 still feels. Okay, 4 still feels like it's set. Okay, 3 springy. Okay, 2 is now binding. Nice click on 2. Click on 1, and we are actually open. So that's simple to pick these open here. I've actually picked quite a few of these, and none of them have been too challenging, so it's a good thing. And now as far as decoding goes, pretty straightforward here. So we got 3, 2, 2, 1, and 1. So it's 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. And you cut your key. Using that HPC card, you'll produce a working key for it. And this one's actually a brand new lock, so I actually have a key, and I went ahead and ran the code there through lock codes just to confirm that the bidding is right, and it is, and I'll put that up on the screen there. But anyway, I'll pretty much got on this. If you have any questions or comments on this Lishi, as always, you can put a comment or drop me an email. And that's, I guess, going to do it for now. We will talk to everybody later.